joining us for another episode of Mornin Gordon. We have lots going on, lots to tell you about.
We do?
Yeah, we always have a lot going on in MWR. And what about this video?
Well,
We got lots going on here. We got to tell the people what they want to know.
what do you all want from us?
They want to know what's going on.
Well, as always, please make sure to like and subscribe this video and send your comments down below so that we can know if you guys are liking the videos and making sure we're reaching you in the way that you need.
All right. Well, with that said, let's get started and what's going on this week.
All right, guys, so we're just recovering from the father-daughter butterfly ball. So we've got something for you mothers and sons. Make sure to join us on May 4th for the Mother-Son Superhero Bash. Tickets go on sale March 4th, and you have to get them now because they sell out quick. So, may the 4th be with you.
Registration ends today, March 4th, for the Ethics and Practice Workshop with Dr. K. Gresham. So if you are interested, make sure you hop on to gordon.armymwr.com and register online today because today's the last day.
Over the river and through the woods to the Fort Gordon St. Patrick's Day 5K we go on March 9th. Make sure if you haven't already, register online at fortgordonrunseries.com. Visit us as we have fun. The run starts at 9 a.m. and you should wear something green for good luck.
All right, that's all the time that we have. So don't miss us too much until next week because we'll be right back at it. But until then, if you want some more information on our programs, events, or facilities, make sure you check out our calendar on gordon.armymwr.com or pick up the latest copy of our FYI magazine.
And always stay connected with our social media. We are on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Make sure to look for us at Fort Gordon MWR.
All right, and we'll see you next week, guys.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Woo!
3, 2, 1.